Okay, let's check out this device and use it. Here is the night vision detected. So once we detect the night vision LEDs, especially the 940nm night vision LEDs, the indicator here will be turned on and solid. For here, this is to turn on the night vision detect and the lens detect. This is to turn on the Wi-Fi signal detect. The USB port. In the back, we will find the white LEDs here. This is to detect the hidden cameras. And the one black point here, this is to detect the 940nm night vision LEDs. Okay, now I will show you how to use it. So when we press this LED light button for around 2 seconds, the device will be turned on and the back LED will shining super quickly. This means it is in the mode of detect the 940nm invisible light visions. Third, there is a device which is the 940 LED. When we hold the light sensor, the invisible night vision LED will be turned on, but cannot be seen by eye. And the device is in the 940 detection. So now it is resolved any indicator. When we towards it to the invisible LED, the two indicators will be turned on. Move away, turn on. So that means this aspect is with 940 LEDs, which cannot be seen by eyes. Okay, we'll come to the pinhole camera detect. Press one more time. Then the LED will be shining quickly. And look through the viewfinder. Use the practice camera lens, and we will see a red dot of the pinhole camera. See? So this is the functions. The third function is the Wi-Fi signal detector. We press the Wi-Fi signal detect button for around 2 seconds. It will be turned on with grade 3 sensor. When we close to the phone, the frequency will turn up. Move away, no frequency. Close, high sensitivity. Move away, no signal. So this device can be used to detect 4G listening devices, 2.4 Wi-Fi cameras, and other 2 to 4 GHz devices. Long press the button for around 2 or 3 seconds, it will be turned off. That's all. Thank you.